Hi everyone, my name is Ginny and I'm a licensed physical therapist with Lumiere Children's Therapy. Rolling from back to belly requires quite a bit of core strength, so a great place to start is by having them reach towards their feet. Encourage them to do this by placing rings or a toy at their feet and helping them reach up. Once they're able to do it on their own, you can introduce some rocking back and forth so they're used to using their momentum and rolling to their side. Next, with your child on their back, use a toy to guide them to look to one side and encourage them to reach across midline in order to roll to their side. I like to couple reaching toward a toy with assistance at the hip in order to teach kids how to use their upper and lower bodies at the same time to complete a movement. You can do this by guiding their hip across the body and then down in a diagonal motion in order for them to facilitate a full roll.